Do you want to make your ID photo look clearer? Then change the background color freely? Okay, let's start. First, to make the picture clear as a whole, we choose Enhance. Then choose the level of improvement according to your specific requirements. Standard means enhance images with balanced improvements. High definition means enhance images with more pronounced improvements, but it will take longer to complete. For blurred portraits like this, we recommend turning on face enhancement. Click Apply and wait for the processing to complete. Then click here to view the before and after contrast of Enhance. If you are satisfied with the effect, click Save. Next, let's take a look at how to change the background of the picture. Use the foreground selection in the selection tool, it will cover the whole part of the character nicely. Then click Matting, and you can see that the background of the picture is removed. To change the background color, click here. There are a variety of colors for you to choose from, and you can also customize the picture background. If you like it, you can save it in the same way. The whole process is very simple. If you are satisfied, don't forget to like and subscribe us.